Hi, my name is Matthew. I'm with HCM Property Management. I'm a portfolio manager for multifamily and single family rentals in Los Angeles. I wanted to talk today about software in 2026 for multifamily. I wrote an article too that has a lot more detail on this. It's in the comments or it's below. But I want to discuss how using automation software is so essential. There's all these new laws related to security deposits and rent collection and following up with tenant requests that I think documenting it really well and having an automation software that tells your property manager or your maintenance technician the next step required to complete the task efficiently is so important. We use two softwares. We use AppFolio and we use LeadSimple. This is documenting the tenant request, which vendors scheduled. It follows up with before and after photos of anything that happened at the unit. And it also just documents what's the next best step to complete the task cost effectively and efficiently. Using automations is going to be the key. So we've built out a whole tree of them, and I'll talk about it a little more in my article. But building out follow-ups, building out proper letters or notices, so important. Love to talk more about how you can use CRMs or automation software. Feel free to book a demo, whether you're a property manager or property owner wanting to learn more. I'm open to discuss this and see if there's a good way to help make your building increase profits with the use of automations. We're in the AI era, so important to get ahead of it. If you have any questions, we'd love to talk soon, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks.